Y'all see what I gotta deal with? Look what she said. Y'all, let me go get this girl. So hey y'all, your purse is right here.
On the floor. Is he okay?
I ain't gonna ask him that when he get in the car.
So we are on the road. We literally only drove probably like an hour so far. Yeah, it's 2:11. We made it from Columbus to Cincinnati, and we stopped at the gas station to get some snacks and stuff.
Cause your girl is tired.
Exactly. She's driving right now. She needed something to keep her energy up.
Oh my gosh.
This is some good lighting right here.
That nigga did a little jog, light jog down the aisle.
Who, Danny?
Yes.
He said, oh, here I come. But yeah, y'all, we got a long way to go. We ain't supposed to get there until like 9 o'clock in the morning, so we got some time.
He's telling me to go the fuck home. Bitch, take your ass home.
Turn your ass the fuck around. But yeah, we just waiting for Danny, and then we getting back on the road, y'all. I'm probably not gonna vlog that much until the sun come up, because it's dark outside. So I'll see y'all at like 6:35 a.m. when the sun rises, if I'm awake. I probably will be. I think I'll be driving then. Maybe. We'll see. So,
hey Danny, we only added like 10 minutes onto our time. Let's go, sir.
Then turn left.
So, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So what you gonna do with me and Danny going to the nail salon?
I mean, I don't know. I might get my feet done. I could use a pedi. I might get my feet done.
Oh, this tastes really good. It's hazelnut.
Starbucks?
Yeah. It's a double shot.
Say hi to the vlog, Danny.
How you doing?
Y'all remember Danny. But okay, y'all. So yeah,
we're about to where they were going so bad.
We're about to get back on the road. So.
Like, y'all going to Atlanta too?
Every time I hear that, I think about that Beyonce Always On Me. And they had her
she was
on when she was doing Drunk 11. She was like,
yeah. You ain't go.
oh, hey guys. I didn't know you were
So generic.
Hey guys. So we are an hour and 45 minutes out. And I'm actually kind of sleepy. I'm starting to get sleepy, and my throat is really hurting, and I don't know why. I think Danny gave me his sickness.
He was in the back. Ah!
Yeah, like
He was
slightly irritated.
Oh, I'm okay.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. Like when I was sleeping, I woke up and I was coughing a few times, but it wasn't like as bad as he was coughing. But yeah, my throat was definitely like a little irritated, but maybe just because I'm sleepy. I don't know. Maybe I just need rest.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll take over from here.
I don't know if that's a thing or not.
After you get gas, whenever you do that. Yeah.
No, I mean I can drive. Like I'm fine.
Oh.
How's the trip going for y'all? How was your sleep, baby? I don't even want to call it a nap. You usually took like a full sleep.
He's back there not.
He went to bed.
Sorry.
Yeah. Aw, you should still sleep
We
then.
got 2 hours. Get some more rest.
Cause you know, I'm not about to say it on your vlog. But I said, cause you know, me and Leanne be on whole time. We'll wake up. We'll go whole time. We'll go. We'll go kick it even though we tired.
Yeah, we just don't.
But
Like, being tired don't mean nothing to me. Yeah. I still will go do my thing. It doesn't matter.
definitely go back to sleep, Danny, because I would hate for you to get there and not want to do anything because you're tired. It's like the worst feeling ever. Forcing yourself to stay up and be out yawning.
Okay.
Looking like a little pawpaw.
Not a pawpaw.
And then you come split the bill. Hey, believe me, I can upgrade you. Why you you ain't sleeping, Danny.
Yeah, pull your eye mask back down. And lay down, go to sleep. Hey you guys, so we made it to Atlanta. I'm just laying in bed because I'm tired.
You just do it, I'll just send you the money.
I'm like super tired.
Just do it.
But we are actually about to get up and get showered and dressed so we can go to the liquor store, go to the mall, and then we're going on a helicopter ride, which I'm actually kind of excited about. So yeah, like literally so random. We were just laying here chilling and Danny just randomly was like, oh, let's go get on a helicopter. So we're getting on a helicopter today.
This is beautiful. We're in the Hilton right now.
So yeah, I'll definitely take y'all with us on the helicopter ride. But yeah, I'm sleepy. And I need to get my energy up because it's time to get.
We saved $170.25.
And it's time to get, you know, the festivities started. It's time to start drinking.
All right now.
That's all I care about for now. So. Everybody is talking at the same time, and I literally can't even think.
So
I'm gonna just let Danny get his walking off and let him do his thing right now.
Helicopter crashes.
Daniel,
Just know.
they're not gonna know anything because you're not gonna be able to upload the freaking video. Who's gonna upload it? You're gonna be dead. Who's gonna upload it?
Well, I don't know why you keep saying that.
So can you not?
Yeah, all right.
Okay. We're gonna be fine.
So
We're gonna have a nice, safe helicopter ride.
I sent you the $10.
He keep talking about this damn helicopter crashing. Like, I don't understand what his thought process is. Like, I will not get on this damn helicopter.
It was 38, right?
What was
28 a piece for the
28?
ballet?
28. But he's tripping. Like, don't be putting that.
Just relax.
Don't be throwing that bad juju out here. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. We gonna have a safe helicopter flight.
Right?
He's
So
crazy.
28 a piece. The thing is 38. So I just sent you 10.
But okay, y'all. I'm about to
And then you'll send me the money too.
I ain't sending you nothing.
All right. Take you off the airplane.
Wow. Y'all hear that?
No.
America? Y'all hear these threats? Y'all hear these threats? I have been watching Bernie Mac a lot lately. But yeah, y'all hear that?
Saying it's waiting to complete and it's
The threats. But yes, I'm gonna go. I'll catch y'all when we're like out and about doing stuff, when I actually look halfway decent. So I'll see y'all in a little bit.
So I don't know how to dress.
Obviously. Hey you guys, we're back. Let me show y'all my little outfit of the day. Real simple. Just some of these, what are they, like plazo pants? Is that what we call them? Little bodysuit tank. I'll probably put my jacket on, my jean jacket, because I don't know. I just don't like having my arms out like that. I don't feel like it's super, super hot anyway. So yeah, probably wear that. But yeah, and some sandals. Simple and cute or whatever, right? I feel like my makeup is like very simple but cute. What y'all think? Then JJ and Danae. Hold on, trade me sides because the lighting. Oh, there she is. There they are. Hey, outfit of the day. Ow. 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 Ooh. Outfit number one. And out. But yeah. So we're about to get ready to go. Head to the mall and then to get on the helicopter. I look cute, y'all. If I look cute, get this video a thumbs up. If I look ugly, get this video a thumbs up. Period. Because I don't care if you think I look ugly. I think I look cute as hell. So yeah. It's over there behind my little purse. But yeah, y'all let me know. For real, do I look cute? Does my little light foundation routine, this is like a light, low-key, like a light summer makeup look. I'm feeling it. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Took me like 5 minutes, literally. let me know. Yeah, I'm ready to drink. We are at the
Y'all want me to
mall.
be
What mall
loose?
are we
Y'all
at?
want me to be loose, Jay?
We're at Lenox Square. We went to a few stores, but we haven't bought anything. We don't really have a lot of time right now because our helicopter ride is at 5:30 and it's almost 3. So we're at California Pizza Kitchen and we just ordered a drink. And we're gonna have a chug contest. And I'm gonna lose. So it should be interesting. What does the winner get?
So whoever wins,
Buzz
whoever
first.
loses has
Don't
to
do
buy-
don't do that.
Whoever loses has to buy everyone around the shop.
I gotta buy everybody shots.
So she already said, I got it.
Cause I'ma lose.
Don't lose.
Alright, bet. It's on. Okay, wait, what kind of shots? Whose choice? Like don't be doing top shelf. Okay. Cause you know people be trying to finesse like, oh well, since you gotta buy.
Go ahead and get us some
I think it's time to
bag.
Come on, like some super expensive stuff. But okay, I'm gonna try and win.
I really wasn't trying to make it a competition, but since you said it.
Might as well. Y'all ready?
No.
Okay. Ready?
really wanna do this right now?
Yep.
It's cold as fuck.
Okay.
Y'all sure y'all just don't want to sit and enjoy?
Ready, set, go. I can't even. This is nasty. This is gross.
The bet's off.
Y'all got the rum?
Nope.
Wine?
Is yours good?
Tastes fine to me. It's red wine. Coconut rum.
I'm hungry.
The bet is still on. Bet good. The bet is off, I said. The bet is off, I said.
I'll be taking my shot.
Damn.
Whenever you ready.
This drink was nasty.
It was.
Literally, look how far I got. I barely even drank
You didn't
anything.
even think about it. Don't think about
I
it.
was drinking so much in my mind.
You wasn't. I was watching, and I was able to take my time because I was watching you. Like,
Literally in my mind, I was drinking so much.
what's it taste like, huh?
It's like bitter. I thought it was gonna be sweet, and I wasn't expecting it to taste like this.
This said pineapple too.
Yeah.
The sangria is like a
Yeah, no, that's
mix
I
of
lost the bet,
juices,
y'all.
A lot of juices. Ooh, that just hit my stomach. I'm gonna be fucked up here in a second.
Yeah, I don't see how y'all did that.
If I don't get no food,
Me and lost. Because she said, so me gonna get.
Obviously, I don't suck that well because I lost.
So, hold on.
alright.
Well, you guys, I guess a round of shots are on me. I feel like if we do this,
Those are jets. We're not
if we
getting
do
on
this
jets.
real
We're getting on a
slick, like
helicopter.
we could take these shots and that cop won't even notice. He in his phone. He ain't worried about us.
Yeah. About us.
Right, I'm
Go ahead and crack my bottle.
Do it real slick, like.
You're gonna be on that plane shaking them off.
Literally drinking that Capriccio stuff.
You think I'll get air sick? I'm only gonna do a little bit. Woo!
See? Hey, y'all flying planes?
Are we even in the right place?
We better be.
Can I play some music?
Well, hold on.
I mean-
I'm about to play some. I just wanted to
Why your phone look orange? What settings is that?
low.
Oh. Okay. Because when you was like,
It's called a blue light filter.
okay. Because when you were taking pictures of us, I was like, why is it so orangey? I don't look like that in real life.
You do.
Made it to the place
Real
with the plane. Ooh, highlight is popping today. I was like, that's stuff in my hair.
You definitely did. I
Yo,
seen
we
it.
about to go get on a helicopter, my besties.
We're about to get on a helicopter and fly the fuck away.
Not fly the fuck away.
But okay, but yeah, we're about to get on a helicopter and I'm nervous and excited at the same time.
This is what I'm trying to get into.
What you trying to get
With all that rah-rah they up there talking about.
I'm scared.
Scared for
I was
what?
looking- hold on, I actually accidentally zoomed in on myself. I was like,
I'm scared.
I
You
was
zoomed
like
in.
this. I was
Getting
like,
ready to
are you looking?
Yeah.
I was like, I'm
If you
scared.
haven't caught that, but it's gonna be a great time.
It is. It's gonna be awesome, you guys. This is a great experience, to be honest.
I'm enjoying it.
Like, I was kind of skeptical when you first brought it up, Danny, but this is like a great experience. Like, not, yeah, not everybody gets to ride in a helicopter.
Yeah, and it was cheap.
And it was cheap. So
$38.
I told you I wasn't paying over $50. I told you if it was 50.01, I wasn't going.
She wasn't going.
So, and I meant that.
Sorry, I'm gonna snatch it from you. I just saw cars coming. I
was like, yeah. We on the same page.
Okay.
I'm picking up what you putting down.
Thank
You ain't even have to put down much.
Per usual.
You feel me? We on the same page.
Pull up.
Juice for you. We definitely could have did this like not right in front of here. But
Yo, can we play some
we're living life
Kendrick?
on the edge.
Can we play some Kendrick pull up drink right now? Because that's what we doing.
Legit.
She shoots down everything I say.
I do.
No.
Hey vlog. Hey America.
Oh wait, this is Leanne's vlog.
Yeah. Hey America. So about to take a little shot before we go do this helicopter ride. We got some time. It's not till 5:30. We got 30 minutes.
But we supposed to be there 15 minutes.
Okay, so we got 15 minutes then.
Yeah.
So about to take a shot to like calm our nerves a little bit. Hopefully they let like us bring our cameras in there because I do want to like show y'all. So hopefully I can, if I don't get any vlog footage, just because they denied me access with my camera. So don't judge me. If they don't let me in, I'll just like come back and give y'all a blow by blow.
Blow by blow.
Or I'll just record it on my phone and I'll insert those clips. That's what I'm gonna do, because y'all not gonna tell me I can't bring my phone in here. I'll be damned. So I'll see you guys when we like get in there and stuff. So yeah.
All right.
Guys, I'm so excited. I hope y'all can hear me. You excited, John John? Nah, I'm excited. Okay, America, so we had a literally want to start calling my vlog America all the time. So we had a slight delay because it's raining outside. It had already been raining here in Atlanta, but it wasn't raining over here when we got over here. But literally as we were sitting here waiting, Danny was like, there's a rain cloud coming in. Like, he literally jinxed it.
See it moving?
Like, literally. So literally I'm about to get on the helicopter, and as soon as I grab the handle, it's like, oh, shut it down. Cancel Christmas on the whole operation. So we have to wait until it stops raining, until the storm passes. They said it's about 20 minutes, so we'll see. We're gonna sit here and wait, and we'll try this again in about 20 minutes or so, whenever the rain passes. Hopefully it's a quick one, because I'm excited. I was ready. Like, I was ready to,
I just got really nervous.
I was excited. I was
just like
ready to get up on that thing and just experience everything. So,
did you want some?
no ma'am, I'm okay, thank you. But I said no ma'am, thank you.
She was really scared.
Who was scared? I was ready. I was so ready to get up on that thing.
She was also really scared.
But so I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll keep y'all posted on what's going on, okay?
So hopefully like 20-30 minutes.